Here's another unboxing. What could it be? There it is. Can't show you the left side because it's got a lot of shipping information on it. Let's see, there is end of everything. Kind of interesting. And there's the Fall Curiosity box, and yes, I still have not opened that shirt. Because I live in Michigan. Let's see what's in here. Pyramid Prism. Genius. Awesome. I'm not going to open any of these quote-unquote sub boxes. Oh wait, no, I can't show you. Oh, crap. This was the right side. What's this? Connector snot. Let's see. Potato clock. And here. I'm not going to show that in detail. This looks special. I'm not going to show it on video. There's a gift card and something explaining everything. Oh, well, it's just December 27th. And I guess that'll be it. Short unboxing. And by the way, can we get to 500 subscribers by December 31st, 2020?